Hi everybody, my name is Uncle Pigsley and I'm from the FAT-N-HAPPYCAT channel. And I'm here with MADWG making some good cocktails. This one I believe is called the Revolver.
The Revolver.
And we're gonna have a little taste. See how it tastes. Ooh. Ooh, that gets the hairs on my hooves all tingly. I like that very much. As I said, I'm here with the MADWG. You need to go to his channel because he makes drinks and he makes videos and he makes a lot of videos. He's gonna be making a lot more videos. He likes to sweat too. So this drink is very good. I give 2 hooves up, and I'll see you next time. Uncle Pigsley says, and that's that, I guess.